Alright guys, so we have a driveshaft center support bearing solution for Scatpack and Hellcat owners. As you guys may know, this is the weakest point of the driveshaft where the middle support tends to go bad. So we have a new product here, this two-piece product that replaces this support. The driveshaft does not have to be removed to install this. All you have to do is cut your old center bearing support and install this. Before installing, make sure to clean your leftover rubbers from the old bearing.